Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best RV keyless entry door locks that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the X-Portion RV Door Lock Keyless Entry Keypad. This lock stands out for its versatility, offering 4 unlocking methods: fingerprint, app control, keypad, and traditional keys. The fingerprint scanner is a modern touch, letting you unlock your RV with just a tap. Plus, the companion app adds another layer of convenience by allowing you to remotely lock or unlock your RV within a 100-foot range and manage user permissions. In terms of design, the X-Portion lock boasts a full metal body and a zinc alloy core, ensuring excellent resistance to corrosion, scratches, and general wear and tear. It's engineered for extreme weather performance, so whether you're facing heavy rain, snow, or freezing temperatures, this lock won't let you down. The Type-C charging interface for a power bank is a thoughtful addition that prevents low battery issues during extended trips. However, this lock is more suited for tech enthusiasts or those who want advanced features like fingerprint scanning. While the wide compatibility and app-based features are great, the lock's relatively high weight, 3.83 pounds, and lack of included batteries could be a drawback for some. The X-Portion is ideal for RV owners who prioritize cutting-edge technology and are willing to pay a premium for a feature-packed solution. Coming in at number 4 is the Onnize RV Door Lock Replacement. This lock is a robust option, crafted with all-metal construction for durability and security. It's designed to resist break-ins and is fully waterproof, ensuring reliable performance in harsh weather. Its standout feature is the inclusion of a dual-door control fob, which allows you to manage both front and rear RV doors with a single remote. This is perfect for families or those managing multiple entry points. The keypad is another highlight, offering anti-peeping technology by allowing random digits before and after the correct password. This keeps your code secure from prying eyes. The child safety lock is a great bonus, especially for families with kids, adding an extra layer of security. However, while the lock does include backup mechanical keys, batteries are not supplied, which adds an extra step for buyers. This model is slightly heavier than others at 3.76 pounds, which may be a consideration for some. Nevertheless, its strong security features and dual-door functionality make it ideal for large families or RV owners who need to secure multiple doors. At number 3, we have the RV Lock Compact RV Lock Keyless Entry. As the name suggests, this lock is a lightweight and compact version of the RV Lock V4, making it less conspicuous and easier to manage. Despite its smaller size, it still offers a robust set of features, including a programmable keypad, remote fob compatibility, and mechanical keys as a backup. The rolling coat technology ensures secure access with over 1 million possible combinations. In terms of design, the compact RV lock features a steel core with a high-strength composite exterior, ensuring durability while maintaining a lighter weight of 2.86 pounds. It's easy to install, taking just about 10 minutes, and fits most trailers and campers. Battery life is solid, lasting up to 6 months with the included 4 AA batteries. While the compact size is perfect for those who want a low-profile lock, it may lack some of the advanced features of its larger counterparts. Additionally, it doesn't include app connectivity or fingerprint scanning, which could be a drawback for tech enthusiasts. Still, this lock is a fantastic choice for RV owners looking for a reliable, lightweight, and easy-to-use keyless entry system. Our runner-up is the RV Lock V4 RV Door Lock Keyless Entry. As one of the original pioneers in keyless RV locks, RV Lock has a reputation for quality and innovation, and the V4 lives up to that legacy. This lock features patented security technology, ensuring your RV stays secure with premium-grade metal alloys and rolling code technology. The included 2 remote fobs allow unlocking from over 100 feet away, and the keypad is simple to program. The V4 is designed for durability, with a weatherproof exterior that can handle rain, snow, and heat. Installation is straightforward, typically taking around 10 minutes, and it fits most RVs, trailers, and campers. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to 6 months with the included AA batteries. However, the V4 is slightly bulkier than the compact model, weighing in at 3.49 pounds. Additionally, while it offers excellent security and convenience, it lacks advanced features like app connectivity or fingerprint scanning. Still, its robust build quality and proven track record make it a top-tier choice for RV owners who want a dependable, secure lock. And finally, at number 1, we have the Onnize Full Metal RV Keyless Entry Door Lock. This lock earns the top spot for its premium all-metal construction, which resists break-ins and performs reliably in any weather. The included fob allows you to unlock your RV from up to 100 feet away, and the backlit keypad is perfect for night use. The anti-peeping feature, which lets you add random digits to your password, ensures maximum security. The Onnize Full Metal Lock is designed with the user in mind. It comes with an all-in-one installation kit, including every tool you need for setup and a clear user manual. The lock fits standard RV openings, making it compatible with most models. The 2-year warranty provides added peace of mind, showcasing the brand's confidence in its product. While the lock is slightly heavier than others at 2.49 pounds. This is a small trade-off for its exceptional build quality and security features. Whether you're a full-time RVer or someone who enjoys occasional camping trips, this lock offers unbeatable value and performance, making it the best RV keyless entry door lock on the market today. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.